So we out here, Nassau Bahamas at the fish fry. Milo is making the conch salad.
Made of Conch Bar.
My name is Life Skills Chris, Travel Loopers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to film him making a conch salad. Welcome to our world. Welcome to the food world. So where can we find you at?
Right there in the Bahamas on fish fry. My store named Conch Bar. The Conch Bar, the time you reach down there on fish fry, you ask anybody for Conch Bar, we selling directories and everything. I mean, we have our TV radio watching the game, listening to music, the hymn music all day. That's how we do this as we move. Right?
So that's onions, that's
onion, sweet pepper, and guys, the tomatoes.
So we got onions, we got sweet peppers, we got tomatoes. Okay, nice.
There we go, that's the mango.
You forget it. I like it.
Alright, that's it for the ingredient. Now we get it for the conch. Come right here, nice and fresh. Let's take it off. That's it.
Right, this is the conch.
Yep.
This is the conch.
Yep.
This is a Bahamian tropical salad.
Yep. There we go. They clean
Clean
it up.
it up.
Get it? Alright. Clean it with lime. And some fresh conch. They feel like some good pepper. That's some spicy.
So you only putting a little bit on
A
it.
little bit on it, and hot. And that's our salt right there. Plenty salt. You taste it. And you mix it up. We're going to put it in two bowl. There we go, with some lime juice. Orange juice.
So we got so many nice juices on it, man. This is a tropical salad, man. This is very tropical.
We call it tropical, yeah. Alright? Come on, ladies, come on.
Thank you.
No problem, man. You're welcome.
What's going on, y'all? We at the Conch Bar, Nassau, Bahamas. My name is Life Skills Chris James, Firework Foods, you know, and we're here with Milo. This is the Tropical Conch Salad. Here with Milo. Milo is the chef. Tell them what it is, Milo.
I'm Milo. Like everybody know, we do the conch salad. We have the bar right there on Fish Fry. Like, when you reach down there, just walk in down there, ask for the Conch Bar, and you will find me. And ask for anybody who asks for Milo, you will find me. I'll be right there making the tropical salad. We're making tropical, scotch corn, regular conch salad, lobster salads, ceviche, guacamole, everything. We serve them with chips. That means the time we come in on Fish Fry, you will find me. That's where I be.
All right.